Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss how to check the palindrome number in Python using while loop. Let's see with practical example here. But before writing the program, first we need to clear what is palindrome. Palindrome number is a number which remains same when its digits are reversed. First of all, I am going to declare a variable n equals to assign the value as a 1 to 1. After reverse, the 1 to 1 is same 1 to 1. This is called the palindrome number. Now I am going to declare another variable k and assign the value of n into the key, and array variable assign the 0, and now I am going to write here the while loop and write here the condition n greater than 0 and then colon, which means this loop continue until the value of n greater than 0. Now I am going to write here the variable ram. So first of all we need to declare here a ram variable. Ram equals to initialize the 0, and now ram equals to n modulo 10, which means this statement return the remainder and assign the ram variable. The value of n divide by 10 and remainder assign into the ram variable, because the modulo division always return the remainder after division. Now write here the array equals to array multiply by 10 plus ram, and look here, this statement work as a first of all multiply the array value with the 10 and add the ram variable value and assign the array variable. Now next n equal n divide by 10, and this statement simply divide the value of n with the 10 and assign the quotient in the n variable and press enter. Now outside of the loop I am going to compare the value of k equals to rev and then colon and print here number is palindrome, and if both are same, the value of k and the after reverse both are same, then the number is palindrome. Otherwise, else print here number is not palindrome. Okay, now save this. From the starting we understand the concept. So this code reverse the number and after reverse compare the original value which is stored into the k variable. If both after reverse and the value of k are same, then the number is palindrome, otherwise number is not palindrome. So start from here. First of all, the value of n is 1 to 1, which means the condition is true, because the value of 1 to 1 121 greater than 0. Now the n modulo 10 return the remainder, and the remainder is now 1, and look here, the value of rev equals 0, so 0 multiplied by 10 and it returns 0 plus the value of ram 0 plus 1 assigned into the rev variable. Now the value of rev is 1. Now the value of n divide by 10 and after division by 10 the quotient is 12. Now control come here and check the condition. Condition is also true because the value of n is 12, which is greater than 0. Now this statement return the remainder, and the value of n modulo division 10, return the 2 as a remainder. Now the value of RAM is 2. Control come here, and right now the value of rev is 1 multiplied by 10. So value of after multiplication is 10, and now the value of RAM is 2, so it becomes 12. Now the value of n is 12. After division, the quotient is 1 assigned to the n variable, so the value of n is 1. And now control come here and check the condition. Condition is also true because the value of n is 1, which is greater than 0. Now this statement return the remainder, and right now the remainder is 1, so right here 1, and control come here, and the real value is 12 multiplied by 10, 120, and the value of RAM is 1, so 121 assigned into the rev variable. Now the value of rev is 121. Now the value of value of n is 1, and after divide, value of n is 0 assigned into the n variable. And now control come here and check the condition. Condition is false. Now control come here, and the value of k is 121, and the value of rev is also 121, so condition becomes true, and the number is palindrome printed by the program. Now run the program, just delete this statement and save the program and run it. Okay, number is palindrome because 121 after reverse it is same. Now I'm going to take the input from the user as an int, and input, enter the number and save it and run it. Now I am going to enter the value as a 1, 2, 3, and number is not palindrome because after reverse the value is 3 to 1, which is not same as a 1 to 3. Thank you friends. Please like and comment my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.